Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of February 19th through 2024 in my Sadie Stickers vertical planner. I am going to be using this kit from Charlotte's Paper Company called, I'm not actually sure what it's called, but I'll call it Coffee Shop. This is a photograph kit. The kit is no longer available, and I have used it once before. I'll try and remember to link the previous Plan With Me up here. But it's super cute. I love the art in this. It's definitely got those denim blue coffee vibes. This is just so pretty. The font that she uses is actually a little different than her typical font, so that was kind of fun. And then just really pretty like foil options with the functionals, which I really like. But then on top of this, I'm going to be using this foiled kit from CaressPress. This is called Coffee, and it was a collaboration with Scribble Prints Co. So let me just open this up. Little ASMR for you. So this is a matte bronze. It's very, very light. I feel like it's almost in the silver category in terms of darkness, but I love the coffee ground, the coffee rings, and the stuff over the top, and then there's the coffee cup. So, and then here's the washi. The washi is coffee beans and coffee cups. I just thought that was really, really cute. And then we've got these. These are really, really light. They're kind of difficult to see. And then this kit did come with the backing. I'm not 100% sure I want to use, I want to use it, but it's going to be really difficult. I'll use it because I have it, because why not? But anyway, so I'm just going to lay down the base today, and then I will try and pipe in the things that I know are happening, and then I will come back later on when it's closer to this actual week and start planning. Okay, let me speed things up. Hi there, and welcome back. I know it's been a long time since I shared one of these videos, so thank you so much for tuning in. Right now I'm just laying down the washi. I will try and find the first time that I used this kit and see if you can do like a compare contrast, because it's been a while. I decided to just run the little coffee beans right through the middle of that washi just to give it a little extra sparkle, because I think it looks weird when it's just above or below and there's like a full photograph thing going on. So I decided to use the numbers that came with the kit just because it matched the aesthetic and it was easy. I know that the kit that I had came with those numbers, but the foil is just so light that I didn't think it would show up, and I wanted it to be able to show up. So I laid down all of the date covers. They look very cute. This font is sort of unusual. It doesn't match any of the other aesthetics of my planner, but that's okay. So I decided to use the coffee cups up at the top. I thought those were really cute, and they're a little off center, but the coffee cups are off center on the washi as well. So that worked out just fine. So let's see. So then I tried to look at the options I had for the overlays and tried to match like what would make the most sense. These overlays were not designed for this specific kit. So I had a lot of leeway as to where I wanted things to go. This kit came with a couple of faded backgrounds, so I was able to kind of mix and match those a little bit to make it work. And I tried to do at least one on each page so they weren't on top of one another. I was actually able to use two on that Thursday because I had the space. I thought the coffee machine was so cute. I've never used like a professional espresso machine. So for all of you baristas out there, I'd be curious to know how long it took you to get trained on that machine. Is it really challenging? It's something I've always wanted to try to do, but unless you work in a coffee shop, you have no real reason to do it. So I apologize. I put all of the foiled headers down. Um, I decided not to use any of the glitter headers that came with this kit and just wanted to use the coffee bean foiled. Now I'm putting down the underlay. Again, it's really difficult to see. And I'm looking at the finished product like I'm holding my planner in my hands right now while I'm narrating this, and I still am having trouble seeing it. So I just don't think the underlays are worth it because it's too hard to see. But so I put down that weekly tracker up at the top, and then I'm sorry that you can't see the bottom. I put down another full box weekly tracker to mark my cleaning schedule. And then there were three sidebar sort of headers there, and I decided to stack them one on top of the other just to mark next week work and spending. And then I started to put in all of the base functionals that came with the kit. So that included TV and one plate that I used to mark dinner. And then I'm just doing the same thing for every single day. Um, I have to admit, it's been a while since I looked at this planner. I did take a break from planning for a while just for my mental health and just also like I didn't have a lot of time to film these, so I switched to using a bullet journal again, which is great because that means I can pick this back up for memory keeping. And I did buy a new planner, so I am going to continue to use this planner. Um, but anyway, yeah, so I decided to use the full coffee frame for the quote box, and then I have this cute little coffee ring with the sort of, I don't know what you call it. It's like the milk flower design in the center. I do love coffee. It's my favorite. I definitely prefer it over tea. I'm My favorite coffee is the coffee that I make at home in my French press. I have a gooseneck kettle and I like to use that to make my coffee. We also have a Keurig, but I find the Keurig to be, it's like the equivalent of when you drink hot chocolate made with milk versus hot chocolate made with water, you can definitely taste the difference. But anyway, so I used a stick with the plan code to mark my standing therapy appointment. I decided to use the work foiled pieces to mark that I was working on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Um, I did have Monday the 19th off because it was President's Day. So I did work on reports. I did upload my insurance and I did watch those SLP Summit courses. I did all of that in one night because they were going away. So the next day I did have an IEP meeting, so I just marked that using my Once More with Love sticker. Tuesdays are my late start work days, so I had to worry about that. I'm just throwing in a virtual coursework for my SLP Summit courses. And then we had barbecue leftovers and we watched The Good Wife and Curb Your Enthusiasm. Um, and then Tuesday we watched Monday's Daily Show with Jon Stewart. I just love that show. And let's see, I used the day off just to mark um, reading and working on my cross stitch. Um, I noted that our friends did go home earlier in that day. We were sorry to see them go, but they were taking a little side trip to Asheville, and that seemed to work the best for them. So it's funny, they left a couple of things here. So they left, we said goodbye, and then like 20 minutes later they came back to retrieve everything. So that was kind of funny. And then let's see, not sure what I'm doing. Okay. So then on Wednesday, I had a normal day at work. I had to do session prep, I had to do session notes, and I had to finish my book. I just marked that I did a video conference meeting at the end of the day, so I used a virtual sticker to mark that. And then I used my speech therapy sticker from Twin Mermaids. We did have book club at 7 o'clock, and this was um, kind of it was a quick one because I went to book club and then I immediately had to leave right at 8 because my principal messaged me and said there was something going on for the IEP meeting that we were scheduled to have the very next day at 8 a.m. And so my principal never messages me that late, but I did respond to her and I did, make the effort to fix the issue that she said she had. Um, Today was Thursday for the sticker party, and I have been waiting for months and months for this sale to go forward. So Sticker Party does a TV Thursday where she will print banners of favorite shows, and she did print them, and I did buy them. So I'm really excited to share that sticker haul with you in an upcoming video. I'm sorry that the top got cut off a little bit. So let's see, I'm just trying to figure out where to put things. On Friday, I had a little bit of insomnia, so I used a Stick with the Plan Co. sticker to mark that. We had trash and recycling needed to be taken out that day, and I actually almost missed it. It was very close. Um, I had two more IEPs on Friday, 12:30 and 2 o'clock. I went to my bank later on Friday to make a deposit and also just managed to fix a couple of things that were going on with my debit card, which was really exciting. I returned some library books and renewed my library card as well. So I used a Once More with Love sticker to mark that. That's a relatively new sticker for me. I really enjoyed purchasing those. Um, and I'm just sort of jumping all over the place. Saturday, I finally decided to set up my new Victrola record player. Never had a record player before, so I was really excited. I have three vinyl 45s. Actually, I think they're 75s. I'm not 100% sure. They're the big ones. Two of them are Vince Guaraldi, and one of them is Lake Street Dive. So that was really fun. And then on Saturday, I watched a movie called The Holdovers. I got some not so great news from my doctor, and I'm not going to share that here now, but I will eventually share all of that moving forward. But for now, it was just a really hard day and kind of kept my weekend from being like better than it was. But yeah, I ended up we ordered from Marco's Pizza. We watched The Sandlot, which I'd never seen, amazingly. And then I was just really numb and tired on Sunday, so I did a lot of cleaning though. Cleaning is a really great way if you're in a funk to just go through the motions and then also feel productive at the same time. So I used a couple of stickers to mark that off. But yeah, all in all, I really like the way this came out. I think it looks super pretty. I love the color scheme. I love the pizza. I said pizza because I was reading pizza off the thing. Sorry. I love the coffee theme. I just think it looks so cute, and I'm really excited to see how this, how what you think of it. Okay, so this is my full week. I think it came out really well. Um, the foil is very difficult to see, but it's still really pretty. I like the colors with the splash of blue. The coffee looks really cute. There's a few things that I need to fill in, but I'm not going to fill them in for filming. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching and stick around for next week's. Take care.